Welcome to Apigician, your next-generation API sandbox platform. In this video, you will learn about how to sign up and sign into the platform. To begin, we need to create an account by simply clicking on Create an Account and filling out the form with the necessary details. It requires your first name, last name, email, username, and password. Remember, username and email must be unique. This checkbox is optional. If you select it, you'll receive product updates, news, and other marketing communications to your registered email from Apigician. I'll be not selecting it. We will now submit the form. It's just a warning not to enter confidential or sensitive information as the app is in the alpha stage now. A verification email will be sent to the email to activate the account. Now let's try signing into the application. Enter email or username and password and hit submit. It seems we've hit a small roadblock. We can't proceed with sign-in just yet, as we need to activate our account first by verifying our email. As you can see, we've received a notification informing us that our account needs to be activated. Click on Activate Your Account button or click on the link below. And now the account is verified. Now let's try signing into the platform again. We are now in the Apigician platform. This is just a warning not to enter confidential or sensitive information as the app is in the alpha stage now.